Hey everybody, hi and welcome. Thanks for joining me for a little bit today. I'm kicking off outfit of the day, what I wore video, where you get a week of outfits, you get PA weather, you get some life in there. I sure hope you stick around, hit that subscribe so I can keep on doing this. I'm Laura if you're new. Why is my white puppy dog not joining me today? Zena's the tan, not joining me. And if you see a kitty, that's Harvey, but I'm all alone today. So it is really warm out for December, almost January. 58 degrees, getting up to 61 today, and it's going to be cloudy, not too sunny, but it's going to be pretty nice out. Yesterday was pretty nice too. It was actually felt warm outside. And for outfit of the day today, I selected Rag & Bone denim, a Free People sweater. I have a gold belt on from the Loft, threw on my little tan slip-ons. I love these. So you've seen them so many times, but I really like them, from Dolce Vita. And then for jewelry, I have on Luisa necklaces. I have on my larger hoops and my bracelet stack. And I think I'm ready for my day. All right, well, we're down to the final few days of 2024. I hope everything is going fantastic as you start to head to the new year. And I'll see you tomorrow with another outfit. Hey everybody, it is Monday and time for outfit of the day. Just Harvey is joining me today. I don't know if you saw him just go by. And let's see, it is 41 degrees going on 51. And my husband and I are off to help my dad with some stuff. So we're up and ready to go. I have been trying to take a little time off between Christmas and New Year's, which has been nice, just trying to get caught up on stuff. Let's see if Harvey will let me pick him up. Do you want to say hi, buddy? Come on, let go of the carpet. Okay, there you go. There you go. See, you can say hi. You can say hi to everybody, right? See? Now he's like, let me go, let me go. Okay, you were nice. Good boy, good boy. Okay. Let's see, my Cabi haul post today. So it's my final Cabi haul for the fall winter collection for 2024. Check it out. There's some really pretty pieces in there. If you want something, grab it from your stylist before it's too late because time is running out. And let's see, for today's outfit, I forgot to say my hair. So my hair is curly and au naturel today because I got caught in the rain. Yeah, I got caught in the rain yesterday after I had done my hair and decided to just go with it now. I didn't feel like redoing it today, so I just let it be. All right, and for outfit of the day today, I have on Paige denim, a White House Black Market long sleeve tee, put on my Z Supply jacket from one of my latest Stitch Fixes, shoes, Dolce Vitas, these are from a Trendsend, and for jewelry, just gold hoops, and my necklace, which was a gift last year, and that's it. I think I'm ready. All right, I will catch you tomorrow with another outfit. Hey everybody, it is Tuesday, right? Tuesday. Last day of 2024. It is super windy outside, 50 degrees. That is the high today, getting down to 31. Wyatt's joining me. And for out of the day today, we're planning on staying home. I'm pretty casual. I have on cut from the Kloth denim, a Z Supply sweater with some fun sparkle in it, and black boots. These are by Sam Edelman. And a black belt. I put on my gold hoops, my mom's necklace, and my bracelet stack, and that's it. I did grab, it's chilly, a little bit chilly outside, so I did grab my long Z Supply black coat, and I think I am set for the day. I wish you a very, very, very happy new year. Hope you get everything you wish for in 2025, and it's amazing for everybody, and I'll see you tomorrow with another outfit. Hey everybody, happy new year. It's 2025. 2024 is now behind us. So happy new year. Wishes for only amazing things in 2025. I hope you had an amazing New Year's Eve and spent it in the way that you want it. And yeah, I can't believe it's already 2025. And what day of the week is it? Because I'm starting to get confused, which I enjoy. It's Wednesday. Wyatt's joining me. He stayed up with me for New Year's. We stayed home. And let's see, my wantable Cabin Edit, I believe. Was that the one that posted today? And it was a wantable. And it was so good. Like, my stylist did like an amazing job. So really great job. In the end, though, I only ended up keeping one item, and that was the jacket. And I actually wore it last week on Saturday, so you've already seen it on me. I really liked it. So I only kept one item out of that one. Although I love the t-shirt. I thought the jeans were good. I don't know, didn't feel like I should be spending the money on it, on the other things. So I ended up just keeping that jacket. And for today, I'm casual. I went cozy casual with a little bit of a flare, I guess we'll call it, or a twist. So I have on Retro Brand Label sweatshirt. Got this in a Trendsend. You may remember, it's so uber comfy. Paired it with these vegan leather leggings that I got in a JB Stylebox. I know everyone was on the fence, either loved them or hated them. I kind of enjoyed them, and I've been seeing them more and more pop up, but I decided to wear them in a casual way today. I put on a splendid long sleeve tee under here. I just like having that black show out at the end of my sleeve. So I thought that was cute. And then it gives me an extra layer of warmth. For shoes, I paired it with my Uggs. I love these Uggs. These are the shorter ones. I got these to ride in my car when I have long drives and I want to be comfy and the weather is unpredictable. So I always got these to keep in my car, and I decided to wear them today because they're just like wearing slippers. So why not? And then to dress up just a little bit, I added this vest by Avec Le Bay. Got this also in the Trendsend, the same one as this jacket. They paired it together, and I love the unexpected pairing with the brown. So in love with it. For jewelry, I just have on gold hoops and a bracelet, and I think I'm set for my day. I don't have big plans, so I think I'm ready. All right. Well, I will see you tomorrow with another outfit. Hey, everybody. It is Thursday, time for outfit of the day. So today is like back to reality type situation, right? So holidays are over. It's time to get back into it. I'm easing myself in today. Tomorrow, full blown back to my normal life before you can take time away, right? Wyatt joining me today. It is a snowy day. The snow is coming down, 28 degrees. The high is only 30, so it's a chilly one. I don't plan to go anywhere, really. I kind of would like to just stay in. It's so darn cold outside. But I did select for today's outfit Citizens of Humanity denim. Really liking these. They're kind of relaxed and comfy. And then a sweater from Ever Eve. I got this during one of their daily deals. I love the blues. And then paired it with, I'll just do this, so take them off, these Dolce Vita flats in this fun crinkle silver. And for jewelry, I have on a Brighton set. So the Brighton earrings, a Brighton necklace with this cute little elephant charm. I have a Brighton bracelet on and a Love AJ ring. And that is my outfit today. All right, well, this is why it's normal life. He's always easing into it. Hope your year starts off awesome, and I'll catch you tomorrow. Hey, everybody. It's Friday. We made it to Friday. The first Friday of 2025. Well, we woke up to a snowy one today, and apparently there's a storm coming through tomorrow, I believe. So, should be an interesting weekend. It's going to be brutally cold. Low of 21 today, high of 30, 31. It's about 28 right now before 8 a.m. in the morning. Wyatt and I are ready to go for our day. And for today's outfit, I chose Cabi denim, a Cabi jacket, put on a LilySilk sweater underneath, and I have on my Dolce Vita booties you have seen already. Aren't those cute? And for jewelry, I have on a Jenny Bird necklace that has my zodiac sign on it. And I have an Ana Luisa necklace on, my big gold hoops, and some bracelets that I got in Manila. So this, my bracelet stock all came from Manila. And that is my outfit for today. All right, so we're going to attempt to start to get back into the groove of things today. Luckily, it's Friday, so I have a weekend tomorrow, and we're going to get back to work and back to it, and I'll catch you tomorrow with one more outfit. Hey, everybody, it is Saturday and time for final outfit of the day. The snow continues here. It is really cold out at 20 degrees, not getting much above that temperature today. It's first thing in the morning for me, and my front door fashion posted today. I really enjoy my front door fashions, but that has to do with my stylist. She's amazing. She does a great job trying to pair things back to items I kept previously or to find things that she thinks will resonate with my personal style. And I think she does a really great job. So let's talk about keepers from that box. I ended up keeping the vest purple sweater instead of the long sleeve purple sweater. I kind of really enjoyed this pop of color and I thought it fit pretty well. I kept the, these were Good American, right? I kept the straight leg denim color instead of the black because I just thought that they fit better. I'm making sure here, Good American, yeah, Good American. So I kept both of those. I did keep the Michael Stars dress. I don't know, something about this one, I just really, really liked it. I kept the Z Supply skirt and the Michael Stars top. Both great basics. I feel like I can wear them anytime. And then I did end up keeping the Z Supply sequin top. I love that it was a V-neck tee, so cute. And I did keep the pink jacket. I went back and forth about the jacket. I almost didn't keep it. I just love this bright pop, so I ended up keeping it as well. That was my keepers this time. All right, so let's see. For today's outfit, I have on Armoire denim. These are Paige, paired with a Michael Stars long sleeve crew neck tee. I grabbed a black belt and then this Unreal Fur jacket, also from Armoire. Love this one so much. And then for shoes, put on Dolce Vita black shoes. These are just the regular all black, no gold tip. You may remember those, which I love those as well. And then just gold hoops, an Ana Luisa necklace, my Jenny Bird necklace that has my zodiac sign on it, and that's it. That's my outfit today. So I'm wondering what weather you guys are having. For those of you in warmer temperatures, it would be like heavenly for me because 20 degrees is pretty cold for me. and there's a nice decent amount of snow on the ground. So all right, Wyatt is joining me, but he's hurt his leg, so he's been limping around for a little bit. So we're monitoring that. Hopefully he's okay. If not, I see a vet visit in our future. So, but he doesn't show it. He does really well. All right, I will list all of my outfits down below. If I can link directly to an item, I will. Many come from boxes, so of course I'll have all the boxes listed. And I can't wait to hear what your favorite was. Hit that like, hit that subscribe. Thanks so much for hanging out with me, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, everybody.